Hi, today we like to present about slab using taking off method. So our team consists of Farah, Fazira, Amir, Shafiq and Auf.
For slab calculation, it consists of formwork, concrete and reinforcement. For the first one is a formwork calculation which consists of soffit. For the formwork, we need to find the area which is length of slab times by width of slab. To find the length of slab, the span that we have must be minus the width of beam. As shown in this slide, we take 5.2 as span and 2 of the half 0.25 as the width of beam. So we get the length is 4.95 meter. While for the width, we take 5.2 as span and minus the half of 0.25 and minus again with half of 0.30 as the width of beam. This is because we have different widths of beam, so the width that we have is 4.975 meter. From the multiply, we get the area of the slab is 24.63 meters square. For the volume of concrete, the parameter are length times by width of beam and times by the thickness. For length, we take 5.2 minus 2 half of beam equal to 4.95 meter. While for the width, we take 5.25 minus half of beam which is 0.25 minus again the half of the other beam which is 0.03 meter, and we get from the calculation is 4.975 meter. So the thickness that we have is 0.15 meter as it stated in the drawing. So the total volume is 3.694 meter cube. This picture consists of the detail of the reinforcement. Next, I'm going to show you on how to calculate the reinforcement. In slab, we have two reinforcement parts, top and bottom. Every part, we have X and Y direction. The calculation only need for us to find the length of reinforcement. For the length, we take 1.05 plus width of beam minus C-norm, which is concrete cover, plus the band. The width of beam we take 0.3 meter, the C nominal is 0.35 meter, and the band we need to take the 5.5 times by the diameter of the reinforcement. The total length of X direction that we get is 6.85 meter, which we get from the numbers of reinforcement times by the length of reinforcement. Actually, the calculation for the reinforcement is depend on drawing. For this case, length of X and Y direction is the same, but different in numbers of reinforcement. That's why we get the numbers of reinforcement for Y direction is 28.77 meter. Now for the bottom reinforcement. For X direction, the length is total span plus lapping plus half beam minus cover plus band, which are the total span is 5.2 meter, lapping 0.609 meter, half beam 0.125 meter, cover is 0.035 meter, and band we need to times it with the 5.5 times with the diameter of beam. So the total length is 119.08 meter, which is after multiply with 20 number of bar. For the Y direction, the length is total span plus 2 lapping, which is the total span is 5.25 meter, and the first lapping is 0.609 meter, and the second lapping is 0.216 meter. So the total length is 121.5 meter, which is after multiply with 20 number of bar. As you can see, the calculation for the reinforcement are different. As I have mentioned before, this is depend on our drawing. So we can conclude that the formulation for the taking off actually are flexible, depend on drawing and the design.
Thank you for watching our video. We wish you good luck for final. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more detail.
Created using Powtoon.